What I wish I knew when my baby was born? Bedtime could be peaceful with the right sounds. Hi there, welcome to Kitty Edu Fun. We get it, bedtime can be tough. But imagine your baby falling asleep with a smile. Sounds dreamy, right? Research shows that gentle music and nature sounds can calm babies, reducing stress and creating a sense of security. Start with soft melodic tunes. Think lullabies or classical music. Notice how the gentle melodies help your baby relax. Now add in some nature sounds. The rustling of leaves or soft rain can transport your baby to a peaceful place. Combine these sounds for a magical, multi-layered experience. Experiment and even record your own lullabies. Your voice is the most comforting sound for your baby. Thanks for joining us at Kitty Edu Fun. A well-rested baby means a happier family. Subscribe for more tips and sweet dreams to your little one.